What's the difference between hotels, hostels, and Airbnb? In this video, we'll break it down into 5 categories: price, privacy, amenities, safety, and the types of travelers staying at these accommodations. The first thing to look at is price. Hostels tend to be cheaper and more affordable than most hotels. However, more and more budget-friendly hotels are popping up. Then you have Airbnb. Sometimes you're renting out a single room, sometimes you're renting out an entire apartment or house. You can even rent out a boat or a tree house. With Airbnb, you have a lot more options, so the prices vary. Because hotels tend to be more expensive, they usually offer more amenities than hostels or Airbnb. Hotels usually have restaurants on site or within walking distance. There's usually a gym or a pool. Hotels also have a ton of activities going on. Whenever I stay in a hotel, they almost always pass out a schedule with a list of all the activities going on the entire week I'm there. Why is my voice so deep and manly? Depending on what kind of Airbnb you book, you can have amenities like a full kitchen, living room, laundry room. With hostels, you usually get a community kitchen, laundry room, and a locker to keep your stuff safe. Some hostels do have a pool or a hot tub. Privacy is definitely important for some travelers, so if privacy is important for you, do not stay in a hostel. Hostels are a shared living space. You could be sharing a room with anywhere from 4 to 18 people, so it can get kind of crazy. And a bathroom. So if you like your own bathroom, your own space, hostels are probably not for you. They're usually set up dorm style, which means bunk beds. Hotels are the best option if privacy is your thing, because you get your own room, your own bathroom, and a comfortable place to relax. Airbnbs are almost like a mix of hotels and hostels. I mean, you can get anything, it just depends on what you want. You could be renting out a portion of the house and sharing with your host, but still have privacy, so it's like somewhere in between. If you and a bunch of friends are going on a trip, Airbnbs are great because you can rent out whatever you want and still have your privacy with your friends. If you're the type of traveler looking to meet other like-minded people, then a hotel probably isn't for you. The type of people who stay in hotels usually want to go chill with family and like relax and not socialize. That's me. I like just going with my family, man. Hostels, on the other hand, are basically made for making friends. They have a common area where you can meet and talk to other travelers just like you. If you're a solo traveler, hostels are perfect for you because you'll meet a bunch of other solo travelers looking to meet friends and hang out. Some hostels even have parties or meetings or a bar that's close by. You can go hang out. As a side note, most people using hostels are under 30 or like younger, but like they're for everybody. Everyone uses hostels too. Since Airbnbs are usually located within a residential area, it's a great way to meet some of the locals and experience life the way they do. A bonus with Airbnbs is it's easier to find off the beaten path stuff because you have a host who lives there, they're local, and you can ask them for their opinions on what to do and see. One thing all these travel accommodations have in common is that they're safe. Most people get uneasy about hostels, but they're actually pretty safe. Most hostels have really good security, like a locker or alarms, and they have systems like that in place to keep everyone safe and comfortable. Airbnbs are safe as long as you book smart. So read the reviews, do your research. I mean, don't be like overly worried or panicked about it, but like still like take your time to look. So if you're looking to go solo and cheap, you might want to consider a hostel. They are affordable and a great way to meet new people. If you're going on a family vacation, a hotel might be more your style. If you and a bunch of friends are going on a trip, you might want to consider an Airbnb. There are a ton of options when it comes to travel accommodations. And there's more than one way to do things. Now go, book your vacation and have a fantastic trip.